Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'll be sharing a delicious recipe with you guys called prawn paste chicken wings or ha cheong gai in Cantonese. Without further ado, let's get started, shall we? For today's dish, I'll be using some nice and plump chicken wings that I've got from my local butcher. Firstly, in a huge mixing bowl, let's mix the salt, garlic powder, chicken powder, black peppercorn, sugar, fish sauce, and dry shrimp paste together. Mix everything up well. When it's all incorporated, add in the water. After that, pop in the chicken wings. Mix the chicken well and make sure each and every piece is smothered with the marination. Once it's done, refrigerate the chicken wings for 6 hours with cling film on. So I shall see you guys in a bit after my jog in the park. In a big mixing bowl, pour in the self-raising flour, potato starch, baking powder, and give everything a good mix. Then add in the egg and continue mixing them up. Gradually pour in the sparkling water. Continue to stir the mixture while adding the water bit by bit. Pour in the remaining water. Keep on stirring until the batter becomes smooth and without any lumps. Now it's done, let's transfer the marinated chicken wings into the batter. Slowly place the wings in. After that, give them a gentle mix. Make sure all the chicken wings are coated well in the batter. Now let's leave the chicken wings in the batter for about 30 minutes with cling film on before frying them. Next, let's heat up a generous amount of oil in the pot. Once the temperature of the oil reaches to about 180 degrees Celsius, carefully place the chicken wings in. Remember not to overcrowd the pot as you don't want the batter to be sticking to each other and bringing the temperature down as well. Leave the chicken to fry for about 15 seconds before stirring it. Now gently move the chicken wings around. Fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes depending on the size of the chicken wings. The aroma from the shrimp paste smells just amazing, guys. I could easily devour 1 dozen pieces of these mouth-watering chicken wings. When the wings turn into a nice golden brown color, it's time to be taken out. Place the chicken wings on a paper towel to soak off the excess oil while I fry up the rest. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell. Until next week, I'm going to try these lovely crispy chicken wings. Yummy! Really crispy. Tastes just right, not too salty. Really beautiful, guys. Bye bye, guys.